Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FATIMAH AZZAHRAH binti Muhammad AKIL, matrix number 1191674. Today I will present about 3D food printing. 3D printing is a groundbreaking technology that can improve the nutritional value of meals and even address hunger issues in countries where fresh and affordable ingredients are inaccessible. The global food industry is adopting 3D printing technology to make food production more efficient and increasingly sustainable. 3D food printing, also known as food layered manufacture, is an exciting new method of digital food production that applies the process of additive manufacturing to food fabrication. In the 3D food printing process, a food product first scanned or designed with computer-aided design software and produced by splitting the design object into thin layers. The layer template directs a digital control XYZ robotic system to construct the item in consecutive layers from the bottom up. Layers are fused together by phase transitions or chemical reactions, either during construction or in a separate post-construction step. The 3D food printing process can also allow the consumer full control of shape, color, flavor, texture, and nutrition for food customization. 3D food printing emerged as technology that has the potential to revolutionize the food industry through precision, customization, and innovation in the structure and texture of various foods. 3D printed food is a way of preparing a meal in an automated, additive manner. 3D food printers work in virtually the same way as traditional 3D printers. Most 3D food printers use extrusion printing technology and use space-tight ingredients instead of using plastic material. We choose 3D food printing because it related to technology 4.0 and 3D food printing is widely used nowadays in business. Next, what value does
technology have for businesses?
First, 3D food printing is a new technology that supports product innovation, on-demand production, and customization. The technology enables consumers to eat fresh and healthy dishes, create new eating experiences, and customize food preferences in shape, color, flavor, texture, and nutrition. Second, 6 ways 3D printing offers your businesses a much-needed competitive advantage. It allows you to produce prototypes faster, reduces the cost of production, requires less input, human resources and equipment, and reduces overhead. Additionally, efficiency and productivity is vastly improved.
Hello, my name is NURULJANNAH binti ZULKEFLI with the matrix number 1191677. I'm going to talk about the impact this technology have on related technology or business. Surely the food industry will be affected. However, the impact can be both negative and positive, and this depends heavily on the rule and regulations implements. For example, if the 3D food printer were to be used at a normal range, then the food industry will become much faster and can earn more money at a shorter periods of time. But if there is an excess mass production and usage of these machines, then the people in this industry will seriously be affected. For example, lesser pay or worst case scenario is worker getting fired from their respective job. Nevertheless, it can be happen only if the big company become greedy and want to cut some costs. Okay, my name is FARHANA with MUSTAFA KAMAL. My number matric 1191672. So I'm going to continue with my part. What impact does 3D food printers have on the first one is impact on health. Many innovators in 3D food printing industry have come up with 3D food printers that enable us to eat healthy and nutritious food more regularly. And 3D food printers not only use fresh ingredients for a variety of recipes, but allow strict control over food portion sizes, thereby to reducing overconsumption. And another advantage of these printers is that you can even regulate preservative, additive, and other chemicals added to your food, thereby leading to a healthier meal plan. And such as Foodini, developed by Natural Machines, is a 3D printer which allows you to browse recipes using your smartphone and program the same into your machine.
All you need to do is fill the printers, food capsules with fresh ingredient, and it will print the food for you. And next one, which is impact on the environment, is sustainable and less wasteful methods of food production are extremely important in this day and age, because 3D food printers are capable of positively impacting the environment in a variety of ways, such as less transport costs, since most of the food can be 3D printed locally or at home. And 3D food printers can reduce wastage by using only the required amount of raw materials to make food.
Continuations of final points. Unfortunately, as the 3D food printer process food with little human labor than of the traditional way, and the fact that the machines need only two works done by the humans, which is to put the ingredients in and to design the pattern of the food. Therefore, factory might employ less and less people in near future. However, there is a shortcoming for those big company and factory, which is they need to pay a higher amount of electrical bill, because there is a research done by a university that state that the machines might need 50 to 100 times more energy than the traditional way. Are there any issue to your proposed technology? Yes, there is, and the issue can fall under the safety category, which can later divided into two types. The first type, which is the short-term consumptions, may cause food poisoning or other harmful effect. Still, the contamination might cause either by the manufacturer, the retailer, or the consumer themselves, while the long-term consumptions might result to permanent change within the human body. However, this will happen only if the consumer strictly diet with the food made by the 3D food printer. Based on our observations, we find that the government, more specifically the Ministry of Women, Family and Community Development, can help to reduce the poverty in Malaysia. For example, the government can help to pay some professionals to upgrade the 3D food printer into a machine that consumes less energy than it is today. Later, if the project is successful, then they can mass produce it and distribute it to locations that have many poor people in it. Hopefully, by doing so, the poor people become more stable in income, and later the country economy blossoms in the future. And if God willing, with this act of kindness, Malaysia's name will shine to the world as a country that cares for its people by using the technology that they innovate themselves.
First suggestion, we need 3D food printing that more fast than the usual, because it can help the production become more commercial, become more efficient and better for mass production or to commercialize for the 3D food printers. And next one, use warm water with antibacterial soap to wash instead of using a dishwasher, and wash with warm water and a mild antibacterial detergent immediately after you use the 3D food printers. This will reduce the risk that your print from a 3D food printer will melt, and will also remove any surface of bacteria.
The conclusion we get from this research, 3D printing technology in food industries offers new possibilities, such as personalized nutrition, automated cooking, reduction in food wastage. This 3D printing technology in the food industry can fulfill the unmet needs in terms of personalized nutrition, food wastage, demand, and availability of food. It is an evolving technology that has a large number of benefits, such as saving time, highly efficient, sustainability, and many more. Nowadays, food manufacturing companies are moving towards the techniques or methods that can help them use food ingredients in the right manner for making healthy and tasty food to reduce food wastages. The population of the world is increasing rapidly, so there will be an increase in the food demand as well as wastage of it will lead to food source scarcity. This situation needs to be handled with novel technologies such as 3D printing, which can efficiently use food resources with no or very less amount of wastage.